Good morning, students. Today discuss that Ruby, advanced Ruby, to execute by one C program on Ruby. What are things are required? We'll go to the first Ruby extension won't run. We required by the Ubuntu versions are required. We'll go to the store, Microsoft Store. We have in the search from as the Ubuntu here. Ubuntu, like from as the app. Okay, it having that is the application can able to download. Search by the Ubuntu. In my computer, there is a two Ubuntu is installed. One is 22.0.4, another one is 20.0.4. I had to open by the 20.0.4. Okay, 20.0.4 LTS already installed. You want to open. Once it is enabled, that one. Okay, once downloaded application, 500 MBs are there downloaded. After downloaded, go to this the control panel with having the program and feature options are there. From that, we have to select with having there is a WSL need to be enabled. For the WSL, the thing about is the Windows Linux file systems are Windows subsystem Linux. Okay, we'll go from as the control panel. We'll call control panel. We'll go to this program and features. We'll go for turn on by Windows feature. The bottom of side you can see by the WSL is available. WSL. The thing about is the Windows subsystem for Linux. We need to enabled. After the enabled, once open by there is the your command prompt. Okay, suppose open by there is the Ubuntu. Type in as the Ubuntu. Which version going to run it? You want to open the Ubuntu versions. From the Ubuntu, we have to maximize it. And first of all, load in that all the file. Okay, now you create one make one directory for that make file. Okay, give by the mkdir. Okay, we'll give by the some C. Okay, then give by the CD, C programming. We'll give by ls, it is empty. For the first, you have to create by the three thing what to created. extconf file mean to create by RB, and then we have to create by sample.rb. Sample dot C program need to be created. These two file want to create. For creating a file, we give by the vxt config.rb file. Once we click with the ext.config.rb file, we open that some editor. Simply click with the insert button. After the insert button, okay, we have to type the command. We have to type the command. Okay, what type the command is that? Okay, first type from as the required RUQUIRE required symbol file make file. Make files are there. Then having that is a create make file. Create a make file. We have to give that is a file name. Single quotes. What is the file name need to be created? You have to be a. You have to create the file name for that with the C extents. For save the file, escape colon WQ file going to be executed. For now you can see by ls only one files are there. Okay. After that, you create by the vi dot sample dot c. Sample dot c file you have to create. Cause had to be insert by enable button. Now we have to execute by simple thing. First go for as the include directories are there, include, then give by that is the double quotes ruby.h. Okay. After that, when you want to give the file name now, what is the file name we created? Void init underscore sample, then open bracket, close bracket, then open parenthesis. In this one, we have to pass that some string argument for the string argument for the string. Okay, we'll give by the some variables you can assign value. The value space is declared by some variable for that variable equal to we have to assign with some string variable. Suppose we can assign a string variable. Otherwise, you can give by that is some command is there rb underscore will give by the str with the new. We have to pass that argument for that. Argument as the open bracket and close bracket. In this one, type your things. Okay, double type your string value welcome. Okay, if you type by the welcome, it's the one string. For that, we want to run from as that one. We have to give by the rb underscore global variable. Global variable, we have to pass this particular that is the variable name give by the address of Address of VAR. Okay, there is some computer can give the error value, some computer cannot give the error. For that only garbage value error correction, we have to apply this one. After that, we have to be as a global variable we want to set. For that, we'll give by the RB, we'll give by there is a global variable to set. To set, we have to pass the argument equal to double quotes $E. We are passing by the command line argument, so give $A, comma. Then what is the variables are given? We give by the VAR. After that, this particular the command file going to be ending. Okay, where you can able to close it, you close it that one. Okay, if you have closed it, okay, it is we didn't give the close bracket now, so you can be by the close bracket, then enter, then close parenthesis. So it is going to be complete. Okay, after complete this file, okay, we have to create a one file for that. The create file as the void initialize, nothing is done. For that, I have to confirm as the escape slash WQ file going to save. Now go for ls. Two files only available, two files. Now I have to run it. First I have to create by the ex.config file how to run Ruby, then ext.config. Config.rb file. Here they want to create a one makefile want to create here. Creating one makefile was created. Now give by the ls. One makefile was created. For running by the C program, give by the make command to be compiled and give the output. That is RB underscore global variable. Global variable we need to give by the semicolon, so it is a mistake. So vi sample dot c. Yeah, we need to give by the value also ending with semicolon must be required. So give by the insert command, then come respective one. We can give by the semicolon. Then here also give semicolon, here also semicolon, WQ executed. Now we go for as the make command. Make command. Still error. RB new. What is this? RB string new. Correct only now. It will open one small time. RB string new. New RB string new. Value equal to variable RB string new. RB string new. Then we pass the argument equal to welcome. Correct now. Then you have to pass in the argument equal to welcome. Then you have to return with having that is the argument. Suppose if you want to declare by like welcome save, then ampersand symbol with the ABCD GV underscore set global variable. And this may not possible to use it. Give by the blank space also WQ. Give by the make command. It is not accepting. Maybe space is used. We'll give by the vi sample.c. Here. We need to give the space insert WQ. Then we will give by the make command. No, it is not accepting. RB string new correct. No, code is correct. Why not accepting this? Define value equal to variable, then RB str comma new. We have to pass the domain that is a argument. Okay, suppose we'll give some other variable. We'll first try with some other thing. We'll give by 50, 45. What will taken by that is a string value. To convert that one, we have to give by the value. And value we have to pass that is having that is some variable name equal to variable equal to int2 fix. int2 fix is the command. We have to pass with the argument equal to that. Okay, we'll give by semicolon. For that, we need to display the function with having that is the escape queue. Just to display it, make. Yeah, this is spelling mistakes. Value that is also in capital letter. So insert values variable escape WQ then make. Now value why it is showing error init underscore sample in function init exporting by comma with variable error dot objects. Void init sample, then we'll give by the insert value. Yeah, we didn't give a semicolon for here, so that is the semicolon. Now WQ going to give by the make command. Make command is the compiled. Again, where also it is a mistake. So this one where symbol dot function redefinitions about we have to be redefined. What is the redefined? Both are same variable now. Give by here value one or give by the sum ABC. So we call by the ABCD by here. ABCD. Now we want to make the file is compiled. Now you can see by the ls command the code is be as the sample dot sad object want to create. To run it, we give by the ruby minus r dot slash sample dot sample. Then having there is the minus e. We had to pass in the argument p dollar of a. We had to close it. Once get the command, you had to pass the argument going display there. What is the